Hi everyone, in Guyana here in Canal number 2, Bell West, there is a lot of rain clouds here and it can lead to bad weather or even flooding. We're back with another video. So it's been a while since I've posted a video. I'm here in Canal number 2 in Bell West and there's a lot of rainstorm here. So this here is Canal number 2. I'm gonna show you guys around in another video. But look at the clouds there, they are very dark. And you guys saw that white thing that just passed it, that was a lightning. And the place is very cloudy, but it didn't rain. It passed over, but I didn't know if tomorrow rain will fall, but there is a lot of rain clouds here. And this is Bell West Canal number 2. I'm gonna do a video of that there to show you guys how Canal number 2 looks. So that is the storm there. You guys can see the lightning was flashing. There was a lot of thunder as well, and the clouds are very black. Earlier it passed over, it didn't rain, but I don't know if tomorrow it will rain. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. And on Saturday here, my cousin is having a wedding, so I'm gonna be doing a video on that too. And make sure you guys like the video and subscribe and stay tuned for the wedding. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.